The Navy Tooth Repair Hack. What's the real story? Hey everyone, have you heard about the Navy Tooth Repair Hack that's making waves online? It's all over social media and dental forums, and people are buzzing about it. The idea is that Navy divers have some secret trick to keep their teeth and gums super healthy, even in extreme conditions. This hack is supposedly based on a special blend of plants and minerals they use. Dr. Norbert Miles, a big name in the natural health world, is the one who's brought this whole concept to light. He believes a lack of oxygen in our bodies is a major cause of dental problems, just like the diver's mouth syndrome that Navy divers experience. So, in this blog post, we're going to explore the Navy Tooth Repair Hack, see if it holds any water, and find out what it really means for our oral health. Let's dive in. Diving deep into the Navy Tooth Repair Hack. The story goes that Navy divers are prone to dental issues because of their prolonged underwater missions. But unlike your average scuba diver, Navy divers seem to have some of the strongest, healthiest teeth and gums around. Why? Because they supposedly use this special mix of plants and minerals before diving to protect their chompers. Now, this is where things get a little murky. While there's talk about this hack online, finding official documentation or solid evidence about this Navy practice is tough. It's important to remember that just because something is trending doesn't necessarily mean it's true. Dr. Miles's theory is that even if we're not diving deep, we can still have dental issues due to low oxygen levels. He says bacteria build up in our mouths, we breathe them in, and they end up in our lungs. Over time, this causes inflammation and blocks oxygen flow in our respiratory and circulatory systems. The result? Less oxygen reaches our gums and teeth, making them weaker and more prone to problems like decay. It's like a domino effect. Denticore, the solution inspired by the hack. Dr. Miles has developed a supplement called Denticore, and it's based on this whole Navy tooth repair hack idea. It's a chewable supplement packed with ingredients that are supposed to boost oxygen levels and nourish your gums and teeth. Here's how Denticore supposedly works. Cleansing. It first gets rid of the bad bacteria in your mouth and respiratory system. Nourishing. Then it provides your blood vessels and tissues with the nutrients they need, ensuring a good supply of oxygen reaches your gums and teeth. Let's break down the key ingredients and what they're supposed to do. Shilajit. This herbomineral has been used for ages to treat altitude sickness, which is all about low oxygen levels. It's known to purify the blood and is loaded with minerals that could help revitalize your gums and teeth. Peppermint. You know that fresh, cooling feeling of peppermint? Well, it comes from menthol, which can help break up mucus and bacteria clusters in your lungs, reducing inflammation and improving oxygen flow. Fulvic acid. This comes from decomposed prehistoric plants and is believed to clear out any remaining bacteria in your respiratory system. It's also thought to help your gums absorb all the other good ingredients in Denticore. Chlorophyll and chlorella. Chlorophyll is the stuff that makes plants green and helps them use sunlight for energy. It's been used to help wounds heal faster. Chlorella is a type of algae that's full of nutrients that could encourage cell growth, making your teeth stronger and preventing bleeding gums. Boron citrate complex. This is a micronutrient that's been shown to speed up wound healing and make teeth denser. It also helps create a protective barrier against bacteria. Copper. Copper is essential for healthy connective tissues, which are crucial for holding your teeth and gums in place. It also helps prevent the breakdown of those tissues in your teeth. The science. Does it really back it up? Now here's the thing. While Dr. Miles makes some pretty bold claims, the scientific evidence to back them up isn't as strong. There haven't been many studies specifically on Denticore or the Navy tooth repair hack. It's always a good idea to be a little skeptical when something sounds too good to be true. The best thing to do is talk to your dentist. They can give you personalized advice and tell you if Denticore is right for you. Remember, it's always better to be safe than sorry when it comes to your health. Thinking beyond Denticore, a holistic approach. While Denticore might be an option to explore, it's important to remember that oral health is about way more than just supplements. Here are a few other things you can do to keep your smile healthy and bright. Eat a healthy diet. Load up on fruits, veggies, and foods rich in antioxidants. They'll help fight off those nasty bacteria that can cause gum disease. Get moving. Exercise gets your blood pumping, delivering oxygen throughout your body, including your gums. Manage stress. Stress can wreak havoc on your whole body, including your mouth. Find healthy ways to cope with stress, like yoga, meditation, or spending time in nature. Get enough sleep. Your body needs time to repair and regenerate, and that includes your gums and teeth. Aim for 7-8 hours of quality sleep each night. Kick the habit. If you smoke, quitting is one of the best things you can do for your overall health, especially your oral health. Smoking severely restricts oxygen flow and increases your risk of gum disease and other serious dental problems. Don't forget the basics. No matter what, keep brushing, flossing, and seeing your dentist regularly. These are the cornerstones of good oral hygiene. Weighing the pros and cons. So, what's the verdict on the Navy tooth repair hack in Denticore? It's a mixed bag, really. Potential benefits. Improved oxygenation. Denticore's ingredients are supposed to help increase oxygen flow to your gums and teeth, which is crucial for their health. Reduced inflammation. Many of the ingredients have anti-inflammatory properties, which could help combat gum disease. Stronger teeth and gums. Denticore is formulated to support the strength and health of your teeth and gums. Potential drawbacks. Limited scientific evidence. The claims about Denticore and the Navy tooth repair hack haven't been extensively studied. Placebo effect. It's possible that some people might experience improvements simply because they believe the product will work. Potential interactions. Denticore could interact with certain medical conditions or medications, so it's essential to talk to your doctor before taking it. Cost. Denticore can be expensive, and it's an ongoing expense if you need to take it long term. The bottom line, your oral health, your choice. At the end of the day, the decision to try Denticore or any other supplement is yours. It's important to be an informed consumer, do your research, and talk to your healthcare providers before making any decisions about your health. If you're interested, you can visit the official website by clicking the link in the description or the pinned comment. Remember, taking care of your oral health is a journey, not a quick fix. By combining conventional dental care with a healthy lifestyle and making informed choices, you can keep your smile shining for years to come.